Welcome to BuyTheDip.news. Today is April 3, 2026. Our AI model found 4 stocks today with both an article rating of buy and a metric score rating of buy, based on our fundamental and technical analysis. In this video we cover 3 of them. Here's the breakdown. The following content is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always conduct your own research before making any investment decisions. FSL, our First Solar Incorporated, a solar technology company. Technology sector. Solar. Geronimo Power announced the start of commercial operations at its Dodson Creek Solar Project in Highland County, Ohio, which will deliver 117 megawatts of power and generate an estimated $49 million in direct economic benefit for the local community. The project utilizes Series 7 modules developed and produced by First Solar Inc., NASDAQ, FSLR, which operates a major manufacturing and R&D hub in nearby Perrysburg, Ohio. Geronimo announced a pledge to contribute $585,000 to Highland County charities and organizations through a dedicated charitable fund, exemplifying how they commit to being good neighbors within the communities in which their projects are built. The total Ohio operating portfolio has reached 675 megawatts, equating to over $240 million in economic benefit to local and state residents throughout the portfolio's operating life. Here are the key growth metrics for FSL. Our sales growth trailing 12 months, 24.1%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 28%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 28.9%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 40.9%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 31.7%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 73.50 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize FSL, our article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 73.50 out of 100, metric rating, buy. RYTM Rhythm Pharmaceuticals Incorporated, a commercial stage biopharmaceutical company. Healthcare sector. Biotechnology. Rhythm Pharmaceuticals Inc. NASDAQ, RYTM, announced changes to its board of directors including appointment of Kim Popovits and departure of Ed Mathers as Rhythm Pharmaceuticals continues to focus on transforming lives of patients living with rare neuroendocrine diseases through IMCIVREE, setmelanotide, and MC4 are agonists designed to treat hyperphagia and severe obesity approved by FDA for FDA approval. Rhythm Pharmaceuticals' new board member brings more than 40 years of leadership experience across biotechnology, diagnostics and commercial innovation, including serving as chairman of the board, chief executive officer and president of Genomic Health, where she led development and commercialization of Oncotype DX, and earlier in career held senior leadership roles at Genentech where she helped commercialize multiple first-in-class therapies, American Critical Care Division of American Hospital Supply Corporation, and executive advisor to Blackstone Life Sciences. Here are the key growth metrics for RYTM sales growth trailing 12 months, 45.8%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 0%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 59.1%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 89.5%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 29.4%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 73.20 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize our YTM article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 73.20 out of 100, metric rating, buy. MSFT Microsoft Corporation. Technology sector. Software infrastructure. Microsoft Corporation MSFT is recalibrating its AI monetization strategy after investor feedback raised concerns about weak early conversion, shifting its focus toward selling Copilot as a paid product rather than emphasizing free adoption within its software ecosystem. Microsoft Corporation said what he described as pretty big audacious goals for Copilot sales in the March quarter and appears to have largely achieved them, suggesting early progress as the company leans into a more revenue-driven approach for its flagship workplace AI tool. Management indicated paid subscription targets for the current quarter could come in materially above prior levels, which may be closely watched as a signal of improving traction. Copilot is offered at about $30 per user per month while a newly introduced bundled offering that integrates AI into workplace software is priced around $99 per users per month, potentially creating a clearer monetization pathway. Shares rose modestly following the report, even as the stock remains down significantly year-to-date, suggesting that investors are looking for clearer evidence that Microsoft's AI investments can translate into sustained revenue growth. Here are the key growth metrics for MSFT sales growth trailing 12 months, 16.7%, weighted at 25%. EPS growth next 5 years, 18.2%, weighted at 25%. Target price upside, 56.6%, weighted at 20%. Gross margin percent, 68.6%, weighted at 15%. Drawdown from 52-week high, minus 32.8%, weighted at 15%. Overall score, 71.50 out of 100. Metric rating, buy. To summarize, MSFT article recommendation is buy, growth stock score is 71.50 out of 100, metric rating, buy. That wraps up today's 3 buy-rated stocks. There are one more buy-rated stock today that you can view at BuyTheDip.news, along with full analysis for every stock. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe for daily signals. Visit BuyTheDip.news to access buy-rated stocks and full growth metrics in real time, the moment they are available rather than after market hours, along with hundreds of additional stocks that weren't rated a buy each trading day. See you next time.